challenge the sterility of the pharmaceutical manufacturing system, where the end product cannot be terminally sterilized. Media field study can ensure the compliance of the aseptic condition of the manufacturing process specified by the regulations. Media field study is a regulatory requirement according to the GMP PICS Annex guideline. It is a good practice to safeguard the quality of the products before releasing them to the public. We do it by using the TSP, like the nutritious culture media, to stimulate the whole actual process, manufacturing process. And we will do it like for the end product, we will send out to the contract lab. So this can ensure if there is any microbes can be found in culture media. 3 consecutive separate successful runs are recommended by the FDA to make a conclusive result. Twice a year can evaluate the state of control of the aseptic process. The media study it actually comes with 2 results. One is positive. If the result is positive, then investigation, corrective and preventive actions, also known as CAPA, should be conducted immediately to find out the source of contamination, so as to correct and prevent the problems in the future. Otherwise, the production process can progress to the next stage, usually with the process validation.
What is your favorite food?
Any kind of seafood.
Okay.
The vegetables from the sea, yeah.
Vegetable from the sea, seaweed.
Yeah, seaweed.
Oh, cool. Okay. Now,
Delicious.
again.